Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this new package of Biotin vitamins by a company called Natural Beauty. Gotta take your vitamins, y'all. Yeah, this supports healthy hair, skin, and nails for those low in biotin. So take one of these daily. I have unboxed this before on my channel, but they got new packaging. So new look, more modern packaging, new look. The seal up top. Sorry, still don't have scissors up in here, but all right, got it open. They have the second protective seal underneath, which is great. Love when vitamin companies have that. Makes you feel safe that you're getting something new that's not tampered with. All right. The last vitamin B12 unboxing didn't go so well on camera, so hopefully this one's smoother. All right. There's a lot of pressure being a YouTube unboxing channel, guys. Doing my best. Thanks for all those watching this. Always fire unboxings on this channel. All right, that's what it looks like. Oh, I didn't see the desiccant package on the last vitamin B12 unboxing. I wonder if it was there on the bottom. But anyways, here's Biotin. Healthy hair, nails, skin. Let's go. Got all the protective stuff off. Then I just get one or my morning routine right here, guys. Delicious. Fast dissolve. 100% drug free. I wonder what that means. Oh yeah, no drug. Cool. All natural vitamins. Hope you're all doing well. Take your vitamins. I'll drop a link in the video description below on where I ordered this from. And yeah, take care, guys. Catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.